So let's begin. The biochemical role of iron. Iron helps for formation of hemoglobin in the body. So what do you mean by hemoglobin? Hemoglobin, also short formed as HB. Hemoglobin. It is the main or essential component of RBC blood. Iron and how heme part of the hemoglobin forms. Iron plus glycine plus vitamin B6. Iron is an what? Element, and glycine is the amino acid. Vitamin B6. These three are mixed to form heme part of the hemoglobin, and where heme plus globin is formed hemoglobin, right? Iron helps for blood formation. Erythrocytes to reticulocytes to reticulocyte. Erythrocyte is the immature, reticulocyte immature, and reticulocyte is mature. Iron is an essential element of the hemoglobin of the red blood cells, that is erythrocytes of the blood. After the lifespan of the RBC is completed, 120 days, the iron from it is removed and sent to the bone marrow, where it is used for the synthesis of a new red blood cells, that is hemopoiesis. This process is known as the hemopoiesis. Iron is an essential element of the myoglobin. अच्छा, here what to mean by myoglobin? Myoglobin means muscle hemoglobin. There is a small amount of iron in the plasma which is bound to a protein called transferrin. Small amount of iron are there in the plasma and which is bound to the protein part, that is called transferrin. In case of iron deficiency in the blood, the level of plasma iron comes down and anemia occurs. In case of iron deficiency, anemia occurs. So anemia is also known as bloodlessness. Deficiency of the blood in body causes anemia, right? And let's begin to its second part. Here it is. The iron containing enzyme in muscle make the oxidation of carbohydrate, protein, fats possible within the cell, and iron helps in catalyzing the conversion of beta carotene to vitamin A. It can convert the beta carotene to vitamin A, so it is a precursor of vitamin A. So here beta carotene is the precursor of vitamin A. What do you mean by the precursor? Precursor mean can be converted. It can be converted, so it is known as the precursor. Iron helps for the formation of antibodies and detoxification of drugs and other toxic compound in the liver and intestine. It can form toxic compounds also in liver and intestine. It helps in the removal of lipids from blood. It can also remove the lipid from blood. It has the capacity of that. It helps for collagen synthesis, one of the protein of the body. It helps for the synthesis of purine, which form an integral part of the deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, and ribonucleic acid, that is RNA. Iron helps for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, that is dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. Important, this line is important because it is formed the neurotransmitter, that is dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. It is important, brother. So let's begin in short what we learned about the biochemical role of iron. It forms the hemoglobin in the body. It helps in the blood formation. Iron is the essential for red blood cell formation of the blood. And after the completion of the lifespan of RBC, RBC goes to the bone marrow where it is used for the synthesis of new red blood cells, right? Iron, essential element of myoglobin, and if there is less amount of iron present in blood and causes the bloodlessness, then it can fatal to the body and can cause anemia, right? And then iron also containing enzyme that helps in the muscles that can makes the muscles oxidation of carbohydrate, and it also helps to convert the beta carotene to vitamin A. Iron helps in the formation of antibodies, detoxification of drugs. It helps in the removal of lipid from the blood. It helps for the collagen synthesis, one of the protein of the body. It helps for the synthesis of purine, integral part of the DNA and RNA, and iron for the synthesis of neurotransmitter like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. So these are important. And what are the sources of iron? Animal sources, vegetable sources. Animal sources contains liver is the richest source of iron. Egg yolk, meat, fish, poultry are the good source of iron, right? And what are the vegetable sources? Green leafy vegetables, whole grain cereals, I mean that is bajra, and legume, dry fruits, green banana, jaggery, raisins are good source of iron. Hmm. So these are the sources of iron which can make you the more iron in your body. Hmm. So that's it. Thank you.